Hey guys! Welcome to our channel. Today we will talk about what is this channel for. Our goal is to make videos for learning programming and web designing languages, for example, C++, Python, Java, JavaScript, MATLAB, etc. Also HTML and CSS for web designing. Along with all modern tools, for example Android Studio for making an Android application, XD for web designing, MATLAB for mathematics, etc., and all editors in which we can write and compile our code, like Visual Studio Code, code blocks, etc. So when you learn these stuffs, then our next goal is to make all learning into practical, by making demos of Android applications, by designing websites, and also making PC application using programming languages that we have already learned. So please subscribe our channel to join our community. Goodbye.